Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Zappos account. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed the app on your device and you have already created an account. If you haven't done that already, then you can go through our other tutorials. We've also posted a tutorial on how to install the Zappos app and how to create an account on the app. Now let's get straight to the point. First of all, open the Zappos app on your phone. You'll see this page on your screen. Now on this page at the bottom you can see a menu, and on that menu you can see the My Account option. Tap on My Account. Wait for it to load, it may take a few seconds. Among these three options, you can either sign in with your Zappos account or your Amazon account or even with your Google account. I'll just sign in with my Zappos account. So tap on Sign in with Zappos. And then on this page, you'll simply have to enter your credentials, your email that you used to create the account, and then enter your password. If you want to be kept signed in, then you can tap on that small square box right besides the Keep Me Signed In option. Now, after you're done, simply tap on the Sign In option. And as you can see, we've been successfully logged into our account. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.